What's up, good people? I just realized that WhatsApp does not allow you to take screenshot of someone's profile picture, but I've figured out a way around it. Let's start right into it. Okay, just click on that WhatsApp icon. Okay, now for instance, this is a profile picture. If I click on it and take a screenshot, I'll end up having a blank screen like this. Okay, let me just show you what has been captured in the images. It turns out to be a blank screen, but like I've promised you, there's a way around it. Okay, you see the screenshot that has been recorded is just a blank image. Okay, now let's go back to WhatsApp so that I can show you a way around it. Let's say I wanted to screenshot this image. What do? Okay, what we do here is just do not tap on that image, just screenshot it like this and edit it. Okay, edit it. After editing it, you can expand it to increase the size, but now the quality will not be what is expected, but at least it's a way around it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.